The NORDBERG N3203 model is rightfully considered one of the most popular and well-known jacks. There is a two-rod mechanism for rapid lifting. The load capacity is 3 tons. The maximum height is 470 mm. The minimum height is 133 mm. Lowering of the load is carried out by turning the handle. The jack has a wear-resistant lowering mechanism through the gimbal, as well as an overload protection valve. Reliable swivel wheels simplify the movement of the jack on the work site, make it maneuverable and makes it easy to transport it over uneven surfaces. Equipped with a convenient tray for storing the mounting nuts or spool removed from the wheel. The drive handle is composite and has a rubberized handle, and it is convenient and prevents accidental damage to car doors. The kit includes a rubber nozzle and a repair kit. In general, the jack is unpretentious in working conditions, has small compact dimensions and has a reinforced structure.